Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to deattach audio in iMovie video editor. So if you want to deattach any audio in iMovie video editor, so what you have to do, first I'm going to open this iMovie app, and then I'm going to select any one of my project. Okay, so I'm going to select this one. Okay, or this one. Now I'm going to open it, and here you will see there is a audio
to my
here.
YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you
Okay, so now if I want to deattach this audio from this video, so what I have to do is just click on this here. Okay, and now right click, and here you will see deattach audio option. Here you will see also a shortcut by pressing option command and B, then it will be deattached. You can click on it, and then you will see that audio has been deattached, and you can delete it from here, and you can also edit it. So like this you can deattach audio in iMovie video editor. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.